Hello, class. I've had a couple requests for office hours videos about a couple of the definite integral questions from the fundamental theorem of calculus homework. So here's the first one that some people have asked about. Again, your numbers might be slightly different. And so when you're given something like this, it really helps you to simplify first. So I want to multiply out this binomial. So this is going to be the same thing as the integral from 1 to 5 of x squared minus 10x plus 25 dx. And then from there, I can use my power rule here. So this x squared is going to be x cubed over 3. This minus 10x is going to be minus 5x squared. And this is going to be plus 25x as x ranges from 1 to 5. So this is now going to be, and this is going to be a little bit messy, 5 cubed over 3 minus 5 times 5 squared plus 25 times 5 minus, and then 1/3 minus 5 plus 25. Okay, now I want to notice before I go any further, this is 5 cubed and that's 5 cubed, so these two cancel. Okay, so this is 125 over 3 minus 1/3 and then minus 20. Okay, so this is now, if I go ahead and combine those, that's 124 over 3 minus 20. 20 is 60/3, so this will end up being 64 over 3. Okay, so there is this kind of question. And so you want to be extra careful because we don't know how to integrate function to a power. We only know how to integrate exactly x to a power. So you have to multiply stuff out before you do anything further. Okay, next up we have, this is question 2C. I'm just going to package these two together as one video because they're both short and similar. So here I have to remember what's going on with a cube root. Namely, the cube root is the same as the 1/3 power. So this is 1/3 power dx. And so I want to remember the power rule here. So this is going to be x to the 4/3 divided by 4/3, evaluated as x goes from 1 to 64. Okay. Why is it 4/3? It's 4/3 because 1/3 plus 1 is 4/3. Okay, so this is going to be 3/4 of x to the 4/3, evaluated as x goes from 1 to 64. Okay, and so this is going to be 3/4 of 64 to the 4/3 minus 3/4 of 1 to the 4/3. Okay. Remember, when someone gives you the 64 to the 4/3, you want to think of that as 64 to the 1/3 to the 4th. So we can write this out. 1 to any power is just 1, so this is just minus 3/4. Okay, so the cube root of 64 is 4, so this is 3/4 of 4 to the 4th minus 3/4. Okay, this 4 is going to cancel with one of these 4s, so this is going to be a 4 cubed. So this is going to be 3 times 64 minus 3/4. And so this is going to be 192 minus 3/4. And if you want, you can rewrite this as being over one denominator here, just over 4. That'll leave me with some ridiculously large number, but let's go for it. So this will be this will be, 768 over 4 minus 3/4, which will be 765 over 4. Okay, so that is those two questions that a few people have requested. If you have more questions, again, don't hesitate to ask. I'm happy to go over these and provide you more examples or cover if there's little things that I missed here and there, or just if you want more examples of various kinds of things. All right, but for now, until next time, be well.